Hi guys, welcome back. We were doing patterns, an A-B pattern and an ABC pattern. We were doing the ABC pattern on the last video. We kind of got cut off. I'm using something that only gives me 15 minutes. That way, so I can share my screen. Um, so I lost track of time. But let's kind of pick up where we left off as a quick little review. So we were looking at that ABC pattern with the eyes, the ears, and the nose. The eyes, the ears, the nose, the eyes. What would come next? Yeah, eyes, ear, and then what? Nose. Yeah, eyes, ears, nose. What comes next? Eyes, ears, nose. Eyes, ears, nose. Eyes, ears, nose. Eyes. Beautiful. All right. What's the core of this? The core is the part that, remember guys, the core is the part that repeats. The part you see over and over again. So when it's A, B, C pattern, that's my core, A, B, C. What is the A, the B, and the C? Good. The eyes, the ear, and the nose. That, my friends, is the core of our pattern. Because that's the part that keeps repeating. You're so smart. All right, let's go on to something new. We're gonna do patterns, a different type of a pattern. This is called an A-A-B pattern. Do you hear how it's A-A and then B? So the A and the A are gonna be the same picture, and the B is gonna be something different. So our core is gonna be two things the same, something different. Kind of like if I was gonna do a clapping one, and snapping, I would go clap, clap, snap. A, A, B. So that's my part, my two claps. They repeat, and then something different. So clap, clap, snap. That's my core for an AAB pattern. Two things the same, and then something different. Let's look at our pictures. Let's look at number 1. We have fireman. Miss Reisner is so silly. My brain is fried, guys. Whew. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. Policeman, policeman, what comes next? What would go in that question mark? My construction worker. Good job. All right. So what is the core? What's the part that repeats in this pattern? Remember, we're looking for same, same, different. Has to be all three parts for my core. Here's my core. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. That is the core. See how I highlighted it? That's the part that repeats. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. Policeman, policeman, construction worker. That's my core. That's my pattern. A-A-B. Say it with me. Ready? A-A-B. 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 You guys are great. All right. Let's go down to number 2. We have rain, rain, cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. What's going to come next? Help me finish it. Help me extend my pattern. What comes next? Yep, rain. Then what? Yep, rain. Then what? Cloud. Ooh, what did I just do? I hit the wrong button. I meant to copy and I cut, guys. So rain, rain, cloud. Cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. Rain, rain, cloud. What would come next? Yep. And the whole part that would come next, rain, rain, cloud. I'm going to copy that whole thing. That's my next part of my pattern. What is the core? What's the part that repeats? My A-A-B. Good. My AAB is my rain, rain, cloud. There is the core to my pattern. All right, let's look at another one. You ready? Alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. Alien. What's going to come next? So we have A, A, B. A, A, B, A. What comes next? It's an A, A, B. We have one A. I need another A. So I need another alien. Good. And then a what? Baby. Good. And then what? So alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. Alien. Then what? Alien. Then what? Baby. You got it. You guys are so smart. Let's kiss those brains today. Okay. So here's our pattern. Alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. Alien, alien, baby. What's the core? What's the repeating part in our pattern? The whole set that repeats. Remember, it's an A, A, B. So two of the same, one different to make it my core. Good. Alien, alien, baby is my core. There's my core. Good work. All right, let's scroll down. The last one we're going to look at is called an ABB pattern. What do you hear twice? A, B, B. Two B's. So we have something and then something different and the same. What do you mean, Miss Reisner? Well, what I mean, here's my A, B, B. So look, blue, green, green. So A, B, B. The B is repeating. My A and then my B, and I've got two of them. A, B, B. A, B, B. Blue, green, green. Blue, green, green. Okay? So if I go blue, green, what's going to come next? Blue, green, green. Blue, green, green. Blue, green, green. Good. All right, then what? Blue, you're right. And then green, green would come next, right? Because it's blue, green, green. So I have my A, now I would need my BB. BB. What's the core? What's the part that repeats? Good. My core is right here. Blue, green, green. The core is the ABB. All right, let's go down to number 2. Here we go. We got smiley face, heart, heart. Smiley face, heart, heart. Smiley face. What's going to come next? Ooh, did you say heart, heart? Because you're right, because that's the BB, right? I think I heard somebody say heart, heart. Yeah, so we go smiley face, heart, heart. Smiley face, heart, heart. Smiley face, heart, heart. What comes next? Comes after heart, heart. Smiley face. Good job. And then heart, heart. Good. Okay. What's my core here? What's my repeating part? What's my A, B, B? Yep. Smiley face, heart, heart. That is my A, B, B pattern. All right, you guys are so good. I just am so proud of you. Let's go down to number 3. All right, we've got a wave and a fist pump, fist pump. Wave, fist pump, fist pump. Wave, fist pump, fist pump. What's gonna come next? What comes after fist pump? Yep, gotta start my core back over and do my wave. All right, and then what? Fist pump. And then what? Fist pump. Then what again? Help me. Extend it. Yep. Wave. Fist pump, fist pump. Wave. What comes next? Fist pump, fist pump. You guys got it. So what's my core here? Good. Wave, fist pump, fist pump. All right. Beautiful. Now, we are gonna, you have to also know, let's see if I can, there we go, brought it up, how to compare patterns, how to transfer a pattern. So for example, if I gave you this picture, let me go back over here real fast. Go all the way back up to my ABs. All right, these are AB patterns. So you have AB, AB. So let's make up an AB pattern together using our motions. We could go like A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, right? That's the same. Let's go down here. Let's do an AAB. So we could go A, A, B, A, A, B, A, A, B. So it's the same. Same type of pattern. This one's a B, B. So I could go A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. See how that works? So over here, we're going to look at this top pattern and try and figure out which one of these has the same kind of core. So let's look. We have black, white, black, white, black, white. Okay? So it's an A, B, right? Kind of like our A, B, A, B. Look at these two pictures. Which one also is an A, B? Let's look. Ball, doll, ball, doll, ball, doll, or dog, cat, bunny, dog, cat, bunny. You're right. This one, the ball, doll, is the same because it's A, B, A, B, A, B, just like this. This is A, B, C, A, B, C. So that's not the same. All right, let's try one more transfer and see what you get. All right, look, we got dark, we got black, gray, white, black, gray, white, black, gray, white. Which one of those follows the same type of pattern? Black, gray, black, gray, black, gray, black, gray, black, or stripes, polka dots, gray, stripe, polka dots, gray, stripe, polka dots, gray. Well, let's look. What is this? This is A, B, C, A, B, C. So it would be something like clap, snap, pat. Clap, snap, pat, right? So it's three different things. Is this three different things? This is just gray, black, gray, black, gray. Nope, you're right. That's an A, B. This has three. The core is three. Stripes, polka dots, black. Stripe, polka dots, black. Stripes, polka dot, black. So that's an A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, right? So this one has the same type of pattern as this one. All right, guys, that is it for today. Our time is almost over. There's 15 minutes fly by. I am so proud of you, families. You can do this with anything in your house. Have them make patterns, finish patterns, extend patterns, tap patterns, clap them, whatever you want. Pattern practice is super simple at home. All right, if you need ideas, reach out to me and I'll share some. Love you all. Miss you. Mwah.